Today's video is about the Palm House. The Palm House is located at the Allan Gardens, downtown Toronto. This indoor botanical garden features 5 greenhouses. The multifunctional space displays an assortment of palm trees and tropical plants. In this video, I'll take you on a tour of the Palm House and give you a brief history of the Palm House. Come along with me on this journey. The Palm House was first opened in 1910, designed by Toronto architect Robert McCallum after a fire destroyed the previous pavilion in 1902. Built in neoclassical and Edwardian style, it stands as the third historical pavilion on the site and remains the oldest and most architecturally significant greenhouse at Allan Gardens. Allan Gardens Palm House nurtures a variety of palms including Bismarckshire, Washingtonia, and foxtail palms, alongside banana plants, Australian tree ferns, and seasonal exotics. The conservatory as a whole hosts 6 greenhouses with a broad range of global plants, making it a rare oasis in Toronto's urban core. Let me give you a bit of history about the Palm House. The property was originally part of the Moss Park estate of William Allan. later inherited by his son George William Allan, who donated it to the Toronto Horticultural Society in 1858. The gardens officially opened to the public in 1860 and were renamed Allan Gardens after Allan's death in 1901. Early structures included open-air wooden pavilions and in 1879 a grand three-story enclosed pavilion, which we can now tour, and contains a variety of plants, as I mentioned. Now, after a devastating fire in 1902, which destroyed the pavilions, the previous pavilion, so the City of Toronto commissioned a new conservatory, the Palm House, which opened in 1910 and was designed by architect Robert McCallum, as I said in my introductory. Now, the Palm House features a 16-sided glass and steel dome with Edwardian and newer classical style, and which makes it outstanding and unique. Its construction marked a renewed commitment to botanical display and public space in downtown Toronto. These tropical plants are in a heated section of the dome. It is the warmest section of the Palm House. Actually, it is hot. I was feeling really hot in that area. As you can see, cactus needs a lot of heat for it to survive. Now, since its inception, the Palm House has served as a space for education, relaxation, community gatherings, horticultural displays, and seasonal flower shows. The most recent restoration, completed in 2025, renewed the Palm House as an inviting place for public programming and horticultural appreciation. Coming to Toronto, I found out about the Palm House and I walked quite a distance to get here, and I had to see what it's like. The Allan Gardens Palm House stands today as a testament to Toronto's botanical heritage, horticultural preservations, and community spirit. I really love the atmosphere here. It felt so serene, and seeing a variety of plants, even banana plants. I was pretty amazed at this. It's one of the best horticultural areas that I've ever visited, and it's just so relaxing here. I could have spent the whole day here. If you're visiting Toronto, this is a must-see. The Palm House is located at 160 Gerrard Street, East Toronto. It's in not far from central Toronto, downtown Toronto. And it's when I say walked, I walked from my hotel to this place, which was just about half an hour. So that was how I spent my morning walk. I will definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I love this place, and it is a must-see if you're visiting Toronto. My staycation took me to this place, and it was well worth the time. And by the way, it is free. Admission is free.